Riding the waves of confusion, understanding nuanced English expressions. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the ocean of the English language to explore its rich expressions and idioms. Today, we're setting sail to understand a particularly evocative phrase, waves of confusion. This expression paints a vivid picture, but what does it truly mean? Stay tuned as we navigate through its meaning, usage, and origins to help you master this expression. Waves of confusion refers to a strong and overwhelming feeling of uncertainty or perplexity. Imagine standing by the sea, watching wave after wave come crashing in. Just as these waves continuously roll onto the shore, confusion washes over someone, one thought after another, leaving them feeling lost or bewildered. This metaphorical use emphasizes not just a single moment of confusion, but a continuous, overpowering series of uncertainties. This phrase is often used in narrative writing, descriptive essays, and spoken English to convey a deep sense of confusion or to describe a situation where someone is trying to understand something complicated or deal with a difficult problem. For example, as she tried to make sense of the legal documents, waves of confusion swept over her. The sudden changes in company policy sent waves of confusion through the department. It's a powerful tool for storytelling or expressing personal feelings, adding depth to descriptions of mental states or reactions to complex scenarios. Understanding the context is crucial when using or interpreting waves of confusion. This expression is more suitable for formal or semi-formal contexts and might be too poetic for casual conversations. It's also important to match the expression to the mood or tone of what you're writing or speaking about, ensuring it accurately conveys the intended sense of overwhelming confusion or difficulty. Waves of confusion is a beautifully rich expression that brings to life the feeling of being overwhelmed by uncertainty. Like many idioms and phrases in English, it showcases the language's ability to capture complex emotions and experiences in a few words. We hope this exploration helps you better understand and use this phrase in your own English language journey. Thank you for watching, and may your learning path be free of confusion and filled with enlightenment.